Understanding Beta Readers, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the term beta readers. This is a phrase you might come across in the world of books and writing. So, if you're curious about what beta readers do and why they're important, you're in the right place. Beta readers are people who read a manuscript before it's published. Think of them as the first audience for a book. Their role is to provide feedback from a reader's perspective. This can include pointing out confusing parts, suggesting improvements, and expressing their overall enjoyment of the story. They're like test drivers for a new car, but for books. Beta readers play a crucial role in the writing process. They help the author see how an actual reader might react to their story. This feedback is invaluable because it helps the author improve their work before it reaches a wider audience. Authors use this feedback to make changes, fix plot holes, and ensure that their story is engaging and clear. If you're interested in becoming a beta reader, here are some tips. 1. Be honest but constructive with your feedback. 2. Focus on both what you liked and what confused you. 3. Remember, your job is not to rewrite the book but to provide insights from a reader's perspective. It's important to distinguish beta readers from editors. Editors are professionals who look at the manuscript in terms of grammar, structure, and style. Beta readers, on the other hand, focus on the reading experience. They offer a more general perspective on how the story feels to an average reader. I hope this video has shed some light on the role of beta readers and why they are so valuable in the writing process. Remember, whether you're an author or a reader, understanding different aspects of writing and publishing can enrich your experience with books. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful.